Hello everyone and welcome back to my second presentation on how to make your bibliography using Microsoft Word. So this will save you a lot of time in making your bibliography by using this application rather than doing it manually. If you remember back to our first part of the lesson, we're concentrating on how to make a bibliography, getting information from a website, and how we should do that, how we should input all the information into the system for it to generate our bibliography, right? So today we're going to do a similar thing. We're going to get our information from a website. However, what happens when you don't have an author, right, on the website that you're using? You want to get some great information. You found it finally. However, you can't find the author. The person who wrote that information, his or her name is not there. What would you do in that case? So let's go through what you would need to do, the procedure. First things first, let's go to the References tab. I'm just circling for you here. The References tab, this is what we're going to concentrate on, right? And go to Style. Make sure that's always highlighted. We always want to make sure that's highlighted in APA. All right, there we go. APA is highlighted, and we choose that selection. Because for this university, we use this referencing style. Other universities may use a different style, but we will use APA. So make sure you click that option. Next thing you need to do is go to Insert Citation, open that up, and you'll see Add New Source. Yeah, click Add New Source, and you'll have the text box that will appear. Okay, and we will need to fill out all of this information. Okay. However, as you can see, we have author here, but we've found some really pretty awesome information on a website, but we can't find the author. So what do we do then? How would we fill out this information? So let's go to our website we're using today. It's Military History Monthly. All right, that's the website we're using. And the web page is going to be Winston Churchill, the great British wartime Prime Minister. 10 little known facts. I'm writing a history essay on Winston Churchill, and I found some really great information here I'd like to use. So how would I use this website? How would I be able to make a reference in the bibliography when I cannot find the author who wrote this information? The person who wrote it, he or she is not mentioned here. So how would I make my bibliography with this website? All right, so let's start. We'll go straight back to our Microsoft Word document, our page. Author, we're going to leave blank because we cannot find the author. Don't worry about that. We're going to go to name of the web page. Let's navigate back. Now, don't get confused once again with the web page. This is going to be the web page, title, and website, right? So let's just simply copy and paste to make life easier for ourselves. The web page, title, which is Winston Churchill, 10 little known facts. Let's go back to our Word doc, and let's just simply copy and paste it into the box. So there we have Winston Churchill, 10 little known facts. What's the next section that we need to fill out? Yeah, so it's going to be name of website. Let's navigate back. Once again, website, here we have it, Military History Monthly. So that's the name of the actual site where all these articles and information is stored. Military History Monthly. So we need to write that into the text box. Okay, so right, so we have Military History Monthly, name of the website. Awesome, halfway there. Let's go back to our website again. Okay, here we go. Website, now we need the date. Luckily enough, we have the date here, right? November the month, 16th the day, the year is 2010, right? So let's go back to our Word doc. So we need to put in 2000, right? And 10, right? 2010. month was November, right? Yeah. The day was the 16th. So let's go back. We'll check. Yeah, so November the 16th, 2010. Perfect. We've got it. So that's the year 2010, November. The day is 16. Now, what about this one? The URL. So this is the actual address of the website. Let's go back to website, and we have it here right at the top. The address of the website, the URL. Let's just copy and paste that. So copy, go back to a Word document, and simply just paste it. There we go. Paste function. And there we have it. Voila. We've completed all the information successfully there. So let's just recap. Name of web page. Let's go back. Name of web page. Here we have it. Web page name. Name of the website. Yeah, it's the name of the website here. And then obviously the date, November the 16th, 2010. Yeah, it would be here. And then the URL, finally the URL, the final step we need is just to copy and paste the address of the website, which is at the top here. Perfect. So we've completed this text box with all the information we need. So final step, just look over it carefully just to make sure you haven't made any little mistakes. Yeah, everything is there. And then just click OK, simply click OK. So we have our reference there. Let's just skip down a few lines. Next step we need to do is navigate to the section here again. We're going to click bibliography this time. Click bibliography. And final step, we're going to click the first section here. Click that. And there we have it. We have our bibliography already made for us automatically by Microsoft Word. So it saves a lot of time. Imagine if you needed to do that manually, type in all of that information. So it really does save you a lot of time. Let's just review. We have our bibliography here. So we have Winston Churchill, 10 little known facts. Let's go back. So yeah, that's correct. Name of the web page. Perfect. We have the year 2000 November 16th. Let's go back. Perfect. Yeah, we've got that as well. Okay. And then we have retrieved from Military History Monthly. So that's the name of the website, right? Military History Monthly. Retrieved means that you've taken it from this website. And the last but not least, you have our URL, our website address, which is this one at the top here. So we've got all the correct information that we need, really. So that's your bibliography there. So try to take on board these tips on how to make your bibliography. As I said, it will really, really save you heaps of time. It will save you a lot of time. You know, if you were to do it manually, you'd probably make a lot of mistakes as well. So I do highly recommend you use this function on Microsoft Word to make your bibliography for your essays that you may have to submit in the next month or also in the future. Thanks again for listening to me. It's been a pleasure, and take care, and I'll catch you later.